I went to Bay Area auction today, Pinellas Park, Florida. I got this Lang. It's a compression tester kit. I won it for $45. It's $121.97 on Amazon. Same exact one. This one's made in USA and it looks like it's hardly used. Where did I see that USA? Right there. Right there, USA. That's why I wanted it. Bay Area auction, Pinellas Park, Florida. It's got all kind of different fittings. It goes up to 300 degrees, so it could be used on my diesel. I'm sure the diesel's way higher than that. I'm really hoping one of these is 12 millimeter for my Honda Rancher ATV. It says on the thing that 7311, 12 and 16 millimeter hose assembly. So I'm almost sure it'll work. I need this really bad for my my S10 pickup. It hasn't run in 11 years. I'm gonna get it going again. And I want to compression test the cylinders before I get it started. This will help out a lot. I really want to know my Honda Rancher's compression. I've had the Honda Rancher for 10 years. And I have no idea how much compression it really has. I'm sure it's good. This was a really good deal. For the price on eBay, or where is it? Amazon, $121.97. And I paid $45 and 7% Florida sales tax and 10% buyer premium. It's even got new rubber seals. I don't think this was used very much at all. There's some grease on it, but it looks like all these are clean, like they haven't been used. And this isn't all greasy. I could have got one of these on eBay for I think $11.99, but it's not made in USA. I don't want no China. I'd rather pay more. I think it come out to about less than $55. I think it was $53 total. This one might work on 12 millimeter for the ATV. It's a little one. I hope the great big one works on 12 millimeter. That's what size the Honda Rancher spark plug is. I can use this on my Chevy van too if I want to. It's hard to get the spark plugs out on the Chevy van, the G20, because it's all packed in there tight together. I think I got a really good deal for $45. I'm not used to bidding at the auction. It's kind of scary, you know. I usually wait, like at the car auction. When I got the Toyota motorhome, I wouldn't bid until he started saying going once, going twice. And I was able to jump in and bid at the last seconds. In the last seconds I bid and I won it. The Toyota motorhome was only $1,850. If I would have kept bidding from the beginning, it would have went up over $2,000, $2,500. But I won it. I'm really glad I got this. It'll be useful. The auto parts stores don't let you rent these. They're not a rental tool. They don't have compression tools for rental. This is made by Lang. The model number is TU30A. Compression testing. I hope I can fit one of them onto the diesel Mercedes glow plug. I have another compression set. I wonder if it'll hook to this. The other compression set, I wasted $50 on it buying it used online. It's made in USA, but there's no Schrader valve in it. It'll pump up, the gauge will go up, but it drops right back down because there's no Schrader valve. So there's no way to get an actual reading. I want to test the compression on the diesel Mercedes I have. It's a 300D wagon, 5-cylinder non-turbo. I bought it because it was the year I graduated high school. I think I only gave 320 bucks for the Mercedes. Tomorrow my friend's going to use this on a golf cart. We're going to test his compression on a golf cart. So I'll have it working tomorrow on the next video. I'm filming in a Sony 4K HDR AX33 camcorder. Sony calls it a handy cam. It shoots real good videos.